Two big platforms dominating online learning and communities. Teachable versus Mighty Networks. Which one really delivers? On the left, Teachable. Build and sell online courses with ease. And on the right, Mighty Networks, a powerful all-in-one platform for communities and courses. Let's ditch the buzzwords and dig into what really matters. Each category scores points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner just might surprise you. Here's the mind map for today. We're going to look at pricing, course creation and delivery, community features, customization and branding, monetization and marketing, ease of use, analytics and admin, plus support and integrations. Basically, we're covering everything that matters before you make that big final choice.
Okay, let's kick things off with pricing. So Teachable's entry plan starts at $39 a month. Pretty reasonable. And fun fact, there's even a free plan if you want to dabble before committing. But heads up, a bunch of cool features are locked behind those higher tiers. Now, Mighty Networks swings in with a 14-day free trial, which is nice, but their paid plans start a smidge higher. About $41 a month if you pay annually, or $49 if you go monthly. Also, did someone say transaction fees? Yep. They charge around 2 to 3% on every course sale. So for price-sensitive creators, Teachable takes the lead here.
Next up, course creation and delivery. Teachable, honestly, is the gold standard here. You get a super robust course builder, quizzes, assessments, drip content, even certificates, plus all those handy third-party integrations. But if you're after community interaction straight out of the box, it's a bit limited. Now, with Mighty Networks, you get a platform that puts everything under the same roof. Courses, groups, live events, the whole deal. But their actual course tools, they're not quite as advanced. You'll miss some of Teachable's quiz magic. For pure teaching vibes, Teachable wins big time. Now let's talk community features. And oh boy, this is where Mighty Networks flexes hard. Teachable, well, has very basic stuff. Comments, some forums, and you can technically make a community as a product. But honestly, it lacks real social depth or built-in live features. Mighty Networks, you get full-on groups, spaces, an events calendar, live streaming, discussion feeds, member profiles, DMs, the list goes on. It's seriously next level. But fair warning, if your whole thing is just courses, it might actually feel a bit overwhelming. Still, for anything community-driven, Mighty totally takes it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Mighty Networks members often report 10x higher engagement than traditional social media platforms? That's wild, right? It kind of explains why their community features pop off so much. Customization and branding. On Teachable, you're covered for custom domains, themes, and CSS tweaks. Awesome for styling your courses and overall brand. But if you're expecting deep site-level customization, it's not quite a full website builder. Mighty Networks feels super unified. Custom colors, landing pages, space layouts, and a seamless branding experience. But if you want wild theme changes or bulk edits, it can be a little limiting, like not as deep as a custom CMS. So honestly, both platforms have pros and quirks here. We'll call it a tie. Monetization and marketing. Teachable lets you set up coupons, subscriptions, bundles. There's even an affiliate program and abandoned cart recovery, plus multiple payment options. Pretty sweet. The catch? It can be a bit limited if you're dealing internationally compared to Mighty Networks. Now, Mighty Networks brings some fresh stuff. Tons of revenue streams, courses, events, coaching, memberships, support for 135 plus currencies, easy selling bundles, plus email and push for marketing. But slight hesitation, payments are Stripe only, and there's no native discount code system. Still, with that global reach and all-in-one vibe, Mighty Networks takes this round. Ease of use. Teachable is honestly like plug and play for beginners. You get guided setup and a simple publishing workflow, which makes everything super straightforward. The only hiccup? If you dive deep into advanced customization, there's a bit of a learning curve, but really nothing crazy. Mighty Networks is packed with features. Once you get the hang of it, it's powerful. Oh, and it even has a mobile app for your members. But let's be real, it can feel overwhelming when you're new just because there's so much there. For pure usability, Teachable is still easier for most folks. Onto analytics and admin. With Teachable, you're getting solid course-level stats, tracking student progress, and solid revenue metrics. The one thing, it kind of misses deep community engagement analytics. Over on Mighty Networks, you get a bunch of community insights, engagement stats, and revenue tracking, but for detailed course reporting, it's not quite as granular as Teachable. So yeah, let's call it even. Support and integrations is next. Teachable drops in with tons of help docs, an active forum, and seriously wide integrational support. Think marketing, payments, email tools, the works. Priority support exists, but you gotta pay for those higher tiers. Meanwhile, Mighty Networks has built-in support channels, a support community, and hey, direct ConvertKit integration. But there's a catch. Integrations with other tools aren't as broad, since it's set up to do pretty much everything in one spot. So for most creators looking for tons of plugins and third-party stuff, Teachable wins. Let's take a quick peek at our radar chart. It basically sums up how Teachable and Mighty Networks stack up side by side, category by category. You'll see some clear winners, a couple ties, and those wild differences where each platform shines. So, my honest opinion, if you're all about building structured professional courses and want things super straightforward, Teachable will feel like home. But if your vibe is creating a buzzing community with events and nonstop engagement, Mighty Networks is the all-in-one powerhouse you'll probably fall for. If you found this breakdown helpful, share it with your crew of creators. And hey, stay tuned for more up-to-date platform comparisons. I've got loads more coming.